Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going through my house doing some speed cleaning with you guys. Hopefully you can pick up some tips and tricks for you. If you didn't know them already, hopefully it will help you in your cleaning routine. I just wanted to tell you that it is a beautiful day in England today. Which is very good because it puts everyone in a lovely mood. And right, yes, let's get on with the video. Hey baby, are you okay? You want to say hi? This is Hugo. Say Hugo, say hi. Hugo boy. You got your own TikTok channel, haven't you? Coco underscore Hugo. If you wanted to go see some cool videos of those on TikTok. Right, so the first part I'm going to do in this video is my kitchen because it is an absolute state. I do have a wash on at the moment, if you can hear that, sorry. I did make pancakes this morning, so there's still remnants from the pancakes. I am currently making some ginger and lemon tonic, so I'll show you what I've done with the rest of that. That's Lydia Millen's recipe. Basically you boil 100 grams of ginger, or you grate it, you boil 100 grams of ginger and leave it simmering for about 45 minutes, which I've done, and I've just turned the heat off, and then added 2 lemons because that's all I had. I think she says between 2 and 3 anyway, but yeah, I need to I had a little accident here before with the ginger, so I actually put it in a bigger pot. I'm going to clean the sides down. Going to say hi to Hugo. Hey baby, Hugo boy. Yeah? Going to put all this away of course, and then I might give this a clean as well. So that's what we're going to do in the kitchen first of all. So guys, I'm not sure if any of you have like a Vitamix or a NutriBullet. I also do this with my Hotel Chocolat Velvetizer. But instead of getting in here and, you know, scrubbing everything, one thing that makes it a little bit easier, if you just fill it up a little bit of water and add a little bit of washing up liquid. Oh, that really didn't work, did it? A little bit of washing up liquid. Just got a little bit more water just to get it out of my hand. And then if you put it on the device and blend it for a couple of seconds. So what you do is if you guys have got one of these, Vitamix, or it can work with a NutriBullet, or any type of blender really. I also use this with my Hotel Chocolat Velvetizer. So what you do is you put water in it. Don't fill it all the way to the top because obviously you're going to have bubbles and everything. But I've also put some Fairy Up liquid in it, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it on its base, give it a whirl, and hopefully it should just get rid of all the residue that's on the side. Okay, so there were a few little bits, but look how clean that is now, and with no effort at all. Okay, so I'm now going to finish off my my tonic. So I'm just going to sieve it into this bowl. And I'm just going to get a spoon and I'm just going to pulp the rest of the juices out. So I want to get as much of the nutrients as possible. now going to put it into this container so then I can get a shot from it every morning. I'm just going to pour it all in. And there we are, tonic for the week. First of all, what I'm going to do... First of all, what I've done is I've just put a little bit of Sephora, this sparkling spruce, in with a lot of hot water, and then put the the dish cloth in the sink, and I'm just gonna wipe all the sides and all of the doors down. So everything is smelling nice. I've just put some of the Cif, hold on, let me get it back out again. The Cif cream in pink tuberose. I've just put that on the stove here. Just letting that soak in a little bit, and then I'll do that afterwards. Just because it was quite messy, I wanted to leave it a little bit. Okay, so let's go. Now onto the hob, so just give this a good old buff over. Now it's semi-dry. I think I have left it a little bit too long because it has really dried on there. So for all like stainless steel and everything, I don't know if you can see, it's a little bit grubby. I've heard that white vinegar really works on stainless steel, so let's try that out. I haven't tried that before. Normally I just use a cloth, but let's see how it turns out. I mean, that's not too bad. I mean, there are still a few streaks, but I haven't put as much effort in as I'm normally like there, scrubbing it, wiping it, scrubbing it, wiping it again, making sure there's no streaks. But literally, there is hardly any streaks. So yeah, definitely would recommend the white vinegar spray. Oh, here you go. Are you a good boy? You in your bed? Your nice clean bed? Good boy. Last thing to do in the kitchen, I've just put my washing up away, the last thing to do is the sink. So I'm just going to get rid of the Sephora and take everything out. So this is what the sink's before is, and I'm just going to use a bit of Viacal to get rid of the limescale because I live in a very hard water area. So nice and quick, a little bit of Vical, a little bit of elbow grease, not actual, like as in, just a little bit of Vical, and all shiny again. So once all the kitchen is done, I put the old cloth and tea towel in the wash, and I just get a new one out. Oh, it's a little bit stuck. Put it on there. I'll put it on there in a minute. So next to tackle is the dining area. So I've got my laptop out because of like working from home and like stacks of books and just everything. So I just want to give this a clear up, change the table layout, and yeah, so you can watch me do that.
I've been waiting all night, watch you blow a mile. Please don't come over, 'cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't right. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. Yeah. If our friends knew undercover loving, they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you.
Look what a nice little clean-up can change the look of just one place. So I've got my laptop down there for when I actually need to work from home again, and all of like the other bits under here, like my mouse, pen, and my phone stand, and I think it just looks a lot nicer. Nice and neat. Next up we have the living room, and I'm just going to spruce up the sofa, make it smelling all fresh again, and plump up pillows to make it look a little bit more fresh.
Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. And I know that when you come along, I'll be sure. If it's wrong, then tell me that I'm wrong. I don't care. It makes.
So just with a bit of a breeze. And all plumped and looking fabulous. So to give it a finishing touch, the last things I do is I just put a wax melt on and just put some fairy lights all around to make it look nice and pretty. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and stay tuned to see more videos from me. For now, bye.